Greetings and salutations, everyone. Welcome back to the last round of the Groburkchan Rallycross Racing Series. We're at Crandon for the season finale. We got two 10-lap races. We'll see what we can do. We're about to hop into qualify, so I'll bring you guys back once we're done qualifying. You'll need to see all my cheater lines. I'm not giving away my secrets. But anyways, let's hop on into it, see what we can do.
20
no standing start, no land rush.
Holy shit, the first one's 20 laps.
Holy moly!
We don't have fuel for that.
Yeah, we don't.
220.
Flops.
Line up on the left side.
Well,
Lindy, you don't have fuel for this.
yeah, play actually Lindy. Yeah, Lindy.
hell?
Wow.
When was it 20
Well,
laps?
you can just advance to the next session after 10 laps. Can't
What's
you?
a goon, Lindy?
Oh, maybe. Honestly.
Yeah.
Wait, when was it 20
I hope the
laps?
second one's not 20.
Oh,
No, I don't think
Wow,
it is.
Lindy, really, dude, really.
The max fuel is 15.
Ooh.
No, this is unacceptable. I thought I sent you plenty of messages about this.
Yeah, Lindy.
We were just about to get you on the endurance team right after this session.
That's bullshit.
That's so unfortunate, man. We were looking forward to it, Lindy. We were like, as long as this kid pulls through, he's in.
Pace car's in.
Also, with rolling stars, the lights go like after that first jump across the start finish line. At least
Now he's
the
trying to
last
make
time I
it
did a
back.
rolling start here.
So
No,
we're just
no,
gonna like
same.
advance it after 10?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just
So on the
race to
10th
lap 10.
Okay. Lap 11?
Lap 10.
11?
Yeah, once it hits 11.
You're done.
Yep.
Green, green, green.
Oh, never mind. I went before those jumps this time.
Oh my god, I almost just jumped on top of Austin.
Yeah, we're trying not to
Tot.
get back to Lindy.
Just a reminder, we're only racing the lap 10. Get him,
Get him,
Gavin.
Gavin. Yep.
Oh yeah, dude. Plan on dumping him.
Jinx, you owe me a goon.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm
Wow.
losing it.
Go
I'm
left.
losing it. I'm just kidding. No gooning.
I was gonna say, you didn't lose it? It looked like you did.
No, I was kidding about the
Fucking losing it.
gooning part.
Oh. Uh-oh, where are you going?
Bean! What the hell?
Oh,
Dude,
I got on the brakes.
That didn't even give me a black flag or.
No!
Go
I didn't even know you were there.
I got you, Dale.
We're good?
No!
Clear the right. Damn.
Thanks, guys.
All the way to the
Sorry
back.
about that.
Damn. That's all right.
We've been screwed.
I didn't know Gavin was there until like last minute.
We didn't even get any Olive Garden, Gavin.
I didn't do anything. I was on my line. I was there.
Gavin's 2 for 2 this time.
Lindy's trying to pull out fucking 50-50 grinds for the win.
Yeah, he is. He Tony Hawk that after the start finish line on the right.
It's one way to avoid the whoops, I guess.
I don't think that's very smart.
It's not legal.
This is gonna be a long ass 20 laps now, dude. God
It's
damn.
not 20 laps. Probably wish there was 20 laps by now, though.
I hate that jump so much. Oh, Lindy's off.
I'm
Let's
shocked.
Goes.
Watch him alt F4.
Yeah, he's way off.
Yeah, he hit the blue fucking wall over there and went spinning.
I forgot this is in a Pro 4 and it can't take wall pass.
Oh, I'm rolling.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no.
I'm good.
Go left.
Hello, Shane.
Hey, buddy.
Welcome to the back.
Yeah, Lindy's trying to take Pro 4 lines. Come on, Lindy, show me the way. Let's catch Austin. We got 19 laps to do it.
Yeah, let's Austin was on his fucking ass the whole time.
Yeah, Austin's got
away.
freaking fast on these.
He sure has.
Take that jump after the long right hitter. I fuck up every time.
Come here, Shane.
Trying to get the deal.
That was your fastest lap of the session. The car
I see a
in
Bud Light. Oh, Budweiser going behind me.
14,
Yep.
704. You've got a slow car on the left, car stopped on the left.
Lady spun out and I nailed him.
Oh, damn.
I nailed him. He's a lucky guy. He did the right thing. He just stopped, but I was already committed to that inside line. These things don't change direction on dirt very good.
That was fucking perfect. That was so perfect. That was crazy. I just slide job Grobsky.
Oh, can I give me one of those?
Oop! That is not what I intended to do. I intended to get more sideways. I have no idea what I'm doing here.
Me either. It's all good.
Oh, we might run out of time before we even run out of fuel. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Just had 10 minutes left.
You're in second.
Oh no, we'd run out of fuel before the time because we have 7.6. 10 minutes, I don't think we'll hit that first. We'll be close.
Oh, I did the same thing Lindy did.
Let's go.
I'll wait for you guys to go by. Go ahead. I'll go all the way to the back. I'm an idiot. I didn't want to screw up anyone else. I'm an idiot and hit the inside berm. Still got half the race left. I mean, 15 laps left.
15 laps.
Although it does say we can only do like 12 laps for time. Because we are already halfway through the time. But we'll just keep it to 10 laps.
I see Matt Lindsay getting bigger in the mirror.
Huge.
Was that bigger with the B?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Oh. Oh my. What the?
wow.
4, just hit the fastest lap. 14.129.
I just clarify.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Car stopped on the right.
I'm
Don't
so
worry,
sorry,
Lynn.
Shane. Oh, thank God. It wasn't that bad.
Slow car on the left.
Oh my
Oh, Rob
God.
did what I did. No.
Oh, thank God. I was
Where the hell
murdering.
did you think you were going?
I mean, I was just
Lindy's
taking the corner
wrecked.
the way I normally take it.
Lindy's all F4ing.
Oh, 100% he is.
My car
have
stopped
gone.
shifting? That was weird. Oh, it's because my other gear shifter.
Do I just need to use more wheel? Is that my problem?
I get this
Maybe.
thing cranked.
Deleted it did a
Oh, that was a bad bounce.
15.799.
Maybe use more handbrake than you think?
I think you need to use more cowbell.
Everything about. Oh, I'm spinning out on a straightaway.
Oh. That's interesting.
Oh, this is so demoralizing. Everything could always use more cowbell.
Cowbell helps everything.
You have about 5 laps of fuel left. T4.
Or Lindy's just trying to do this to invert to the front.
Yeah. Once he like was having a rough go, but he just said screw it.
I'll take him out for you if you want.
Oh, he's back in the pits. Unless you're talking about the next race.
No, I'm saying the next one.
Oh, okay.
I should be up front with him.
That's true, we will.
I'm kidding, I'm not gonna take Lindy out. Wink, wink.
Yeah, yeah. Just kidding.
For any iRacing officials who may be watching.
Yeah, we do have a target on our back.
I think he only watches on YouTube, doesn't he? Or Twitch.
He's commented on Austin.
Yeah, he's commented on a video of mine, but it was the World of Outlaw dirt racing video, not even an iRacing one. Because he's in that game too.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, him and a bunch of the like iRacing pros, for, like 360s or the sprint cars and stuff, or 360s or the late models.
Gotta try and figure this out so I can do good in race number 2.
I've accepted that I'm probably just not going to figure this one out. And I'm alright with being field filler.
My wife's calling me. Beautiful. Timing is impeccable.
Just 5 minutes to go. We still got 4 laps of fuel.
Oh my god.
This is 2 laps to go for me. So Austin's gonna get the white flag next time?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Can we just quick edit a Pro 4 option into this race?
Honestly, I think these are going as fast as these here.
Yeah, they go pretty good around here.
Like,
Yeah,
I think
but I can
a normal
control it
time
before.
is like a 115, something like that. 114 maybe. I could be wrong about it.
Yeah, but I thought you were going into those tires.
Oh hell no, I was slowing the hell down. Cause I was heading for him.
I had some hope.
Alright, here's the white flag.
You have about 2 laps of fuel left.
Perfect. 2 laps of fuel left.
I still have 2.4 right now.
Big. I've been way too heavy on throttle then.
Either that or different gears you've been in. I have no clue. It's a possibility.
All of the above.
This is really tough for me.
It is.
Yeah, it's very tough to be consistent.
Back here only running 17, so everybody else is running 14s.
No, I was running 15 most of the race. I ran 16 the last 2 laps, but also I'm just like not trying to do anything too stupid because I lead.
That was it, right? Checkered? Done?
Yeah.
That's it.
My last lap was a 15.4.
Yeah, I was trying to take it easy. A lot of my
Says
laps
my-
like get to 115.
says my optimal is a 15.0, but I don't
You have about
think
one
I'm
lap
ever
of
gonna
fuel
get
left.
that. My best is 16.2.
Gonna go
Wait, are we white flag or are we done?
No, that's it.
Don't
You're
forget to
white
pit
flag.
this lap for more fuel.
Oh, sorry, Rob. I forgot.
Uh-oh.
No, it's okay. I almost killed him though. Jeez, we're gonna
Oh
do.
yeah, full shenanigans.
Holy smokes!
Holy smokes is right.
Don't
Come on,
Why are we
Lindy.
doing 30?
either go or don't go, man.
This guy's edging.
He is. He's letting Dean get the run.
Green flag, gonna go stripe.
Oh, Dean was the leader. My bad.
Right side. Clear the right.
Holy hell! How'd you get there?
Clear the right. Right side.
That was huge.
Stay on the left.
Oh, I'm clipping the
Clear
grass.
the right. Right
We're alive.
side.
Okay, thanks,
Clear the
Dean.
right.
Okay, thanks, Dean.
Next car's the leader. You're on the left. 3 wide. Right side. Still there. Stay on the left.
No!
Stay on the left. Clear the right.
Thanks for not murdering us, though.
Yeah.
Right
It was.
Tried my best.
Clear the right.
Oh,
Clear the right. Go
What's
left.
up, dude?
Go to the top.
Oh
left
my
side.
God.
We're good.
All right, we're good. Yeah, we're good.
Thank you.
You're good.
Thank you,
Sorry, my
Austin.
right front left broke.
I don't know why Lindy's slowed down like
He
so
said his
much
right
for that
front
corner.
wheel broke, but on landing.
Suspension broke or something.
Yeah.
In all fairness, I did try and hit the brakes, but it just wasn't stopping.
Oh,
Sorry,
Side.
sorry.
You're on the left. You're in second. Next car's the leader. Left side. Clear on the left.
Oh boy, I'm sorry. I hit the damn berm.
Austin died.
No, I just went around. And
Oh,
Lindy
he
hit
just
the
spun
berm.
around. He's good. You just 0x'd me for some reason, like you phased through me, so.
Oh, that's
nothing
shocking.
happened.
I got a 2x, but it spun me around hitting you.
What the hell was that, Dad?
I got the brakes and it just started going around. And there was
All
no
right.
saving it. I was panicked though. I was trying to drive through it, but it did not work. Okay, we're recording. Very good. Oh boy, the boys are back at it.
I didn't touch him, so
Lies.
I didn't. I don't have a single 0x or nothing.
Got to use the internet to his advantage.
Yeah.
The prediction code said we did.
Oh wow, Chuck and Alice just said shake and bake.
Big.
Let's go. Don't mind if I do, Chuck and Alice.
All right, let's break here.
Oh, my car won't turn.
Go left.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Holy crap!
I seen you last minute. I tried to stop.
Should have taken out Matt Lindy with you guys. Damn. Had to let him through, huh?
I didn't want to.
That's the end of my race.
Sorry, Rob.
That's all right. I did to myself.
Whoa. That was weird. We're good. No, Landon. You're gonna be having dinner in a little bit. I don't know if it'll be here or at Brandy's house, but we'll
I'm
have
probably
dinner.
using too much brakes.
I'm using a lot of brake. Andy brake.
That was your fastest lap of the session. P3, go
That
to
was
the
my
leader.
fastest
The
lap
car
still?
in P2, just at the fastest lap. 14, 20, 1, 3, 5.
Guess I can turn the wipers off now.
Well, I
Got a slow car
freaking
on the
wrecked
right.
myself.
Stopped on the right.
Oh,
no.
Slow car on the right. Go left. Next car is the leader. Right side.
That was completely
Stay on the left.
insane.
How was it? They backed up right into it or whatever you did.
I want to get up in that back.
I'm back up. Oh my god. And I'm still good. What the hell is going on?
Right side.
Oh, this is awesome.
Clear to the right.
I'm
Where is
going around.
Lindy going? You both went around. What are you guys
I don't
doing?
know.
You both went around together.
I just clipped the grass and it does like some
Wow.
weird grip BS. I'm broke. We won't turn now. Beautiful. Go back down the hill.
These things at low speed just don't turn in general.
All right, we're good. We're back on track. Dean just nailed the wall. Yeah, that was strange.
Yeah, I can't. You both did the same thing. That was crazy.
Yeah.
All right, Melanie's already catching me again.
Sorry, Rob.
Me and Lindy are freaking battling.
You just said sorry on the mic.
Yeah, because he stopped.
We're gonna need some more mistakes out of everyone here. That'd be nice.
I think I've hit my quota already in the first like 2 laps.
Nope, I need more.
That was your fastest lap of the session. It's going well. Keep at it.
This is not going well, Spotter.
My car just didn't do that shifting thing, where it just like doesn't shift
Yeah.
From second to third.
from first to second.
Oh,
Oh, Lindy's dead.
let's go.
Yep,
Incoming Alt F4.
Let's
Nope, he's
go.
coming back on track.
Wow. Shane, I need help.
Oh yeah, there he is. I'll flip him.
The leader just did a 15:48.12.
Where was he upside down at?
Hairpin. He's still
Oh.
upside down.
That was your fastest
Not
lap
him
of
over
the
yet.
session.
Well, I'm on
Stuck
my
up
way
against
to
the
it.
wall.
Watch out. Just stay put for a sec. Alright, you guys are good. You guys are good. Thank you.
Man.
Lindy came to
Car
help.
stopped on the
apparently.
right. Go left. Go left. You have about 5 laps
I don't
of
think he
fuel
looked too
left.
far ahead.
Did he help on purpose?
No, he went to go slide me into that corner and like almost slid straight up into them.
Thank you, Shane. Let's go.
I think he's stuck on the wall.
He has become one with the wall.
He's right side up, but he's still on the wall. God.
You have successfully extracted Lindy from the wall.
No,
Oh no.
Dean.
Dean.
Oh, Dean.
Oh man, I'm trying so hard to catch up, but it ain't working. One too many mistakes.
Oh no, my right front is dead. Okay, it's good. I hope Wendy knows I'm not gonna let him by.
I don't think he's aware.
Stripe.
I was doing well for a little while. I was running 15th, and then I like just forgot how to do this.
I was about the same way, and now I'm down to 116.1.
Pro Series driver Matt Lindy can't get around a rookie Beetle.
What a chump.
Poor guy.
White flag.
The real white flag.
Roll them off, Grubsky.
White flag next time by his stripe.
Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh my
I tried
god!
to cross over and it did not work.
Uh-oh, did he murder him?
No, I'm stuck in a wall. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm like stuck.
You have about 2
That
laps
was
of fuel
awesome.
left.
Get the tarps
I
out.
almost rolled on that wall too. It was very close.
I should have just taken him out. But I wanted to be nice and not kill him.
Go far ahead.
I got an idea here. Did that work? It did. Oh, but I got
Holy
the
crap. I see the obstacle flag right there.
Great job, driver.
Got you, Lindy.
I just want to say hi.
And that garbage race is over.
I'm out of fuel anyways, so.
Oh, hope everyone enjoyed that garbage. That was the last race of our series. Stay tuned for the Trans Am series videos. I thought I had one, but it didn't work, so you'll have to wait a little bit longer.
Hopefully the one Dad's recording right now works.
Hopefully this one works right
Hopefully
now.
you're watching this.
If you watch it, that means it worked. Catch you on the next one. Dad out.